Okay, so I guess this is part 2. I don't know. I might have just lost my recording. That I did before. I think this moss down here is really cool. My husband's like, gives it some real Ireland vibes. But this is where the water runs off the property. And I don't know, let's zoom in. There is that old house back there. And it looks like a barn. It's also back there. And then I kind of call this area the park because it's just so green and clean and just lovely. Like, you're gonna play with a kite or a frisbee or something, you're probably gonna do it right here. So that's where we live. And we have a grape arbor right here. And I believe there are grapes there. I know he planted some at some point. Yeah, and they're coming back to life, so that's good. And I could probably hang some more stuff off of that. Like some of my bajillion hanging baskets. So, that's the farm.